girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys, back with another video for you guys today. And in today's video, we're going to be getting into trying some new products, and we're also going to be doing a cute little style on this hair. So a really exciting video. Now before we go ahead and get into the details, if you are new to your girl's channel, make sure you do one thing for your girl and one thing only, okay? And that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hey, like you mean it, and join the CurlieCrys fam. We would love to have you here. So the products that will have the spotlight in today's video are all from African Pride, which is a brand that I know a lot of you guys love. So let's go ahead and hop right into it.
So let's jump right into it. So first we're going to be using the Curl Milk and Detangler, which is infused with aloe and coconut water to hydrate and renew your curls. And I've already applied it to my hair and my curls look very juicy. So next we're going to go in with the oil, and this is the 5 Essentials Oils by African Pride. And then we're going to go in with the curl defining gel to give my hair some hold for this wash and go style that we are doing. Now the reason why I applied the oil before the gel is because the Curl Milk is going to be the most moisturizing product that we are using, and this curl defining gel really did a bomb job with defining my curls. Y'all see the hold and the clumpage that this product gave my curls. Wash and goes are really becoming a fave of mine, and we are seeing eye to eye, okay? So after I applied the oil, this curl clumping gel is really good because it is not flake. It's a non-flaking formula and also alcohol free, and it really does a great job with defining the curls. And you guys told me that I should try to use the Denman whenever I define my curls, so I went ahead and did that. Now listen to y'all. See, I try out things y'all tell me to do as well, okay? And the curls are popping and very much so defined. So with this style, I really wanted to do a style towards the front, so I decided to do flat twist going towards the back with a middle part. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. So I went ahead and sectioned off each part, and then I used the edge styling wax, which is the edge control, and it also is really good with molding styles. So I applied this to the perimeter of the section and then went ahead and flat twist. Now I like to apply this edge wax because it's great for molding, like I mentioned. So it really is going to help to sleek and make this twisted style look really good. So I also applied some gel prior to doing the flat twist because the ends are going to be a wash and go. So I secure it with a ponytail, secure the flat twist, and then the ends that are loose is going to be a wash and go to match the rest of the style. So I used the curl defining gel for that. Now I'm going to continue to do the exact same thing going on up, and I wanted to really show you guys that the parts got to be crisp, okay? If the parts are not crisp, then it's not going to look how you want it to look. So make sure that you use that edge wax to get those nice clean parts. Now the top twist that I did, I twisted that one in an upwards direction, whereas the other ones were twisted in a downwards direction, and that just gave it a tad bit more character and made it look really neat and nice, and I really like that touch. Now I'm also going to be using the edge wax to do my edges, okay? So I went ahead and formed them with the toothbrush, and then I molded them in place with the edge wax. So this one is really good for molding. So this is what my curls are looking like after I finish, and as y'all can see, the definition is popping, okay? So let's get the dried results, which are here, and as you guys can see, my curls most definitely are very defined, but the shrinkage was serious, and I think that's also because I used that Denman brush. So I'm gonna use some of the oil, and you guys can see just how short it is, right? And I'm stretching it out using my stretching method with my blow dryer, and a big difference, right? And this is what my entire head looks like after I've stretched with the blow dryer, but I'm gonna pick for a tad bit more volume. And do we see the final result? The final look, y'all, is popping. It's really giving everything that I wanted it to give. You guys love this style. I gave y'all a little sneak peek on Instagram. Y'all love this style, and honestly, this style may just be my most favorite wash and go style that I've done this year. And this is just, I love the twist towards the back and everything. So make sure to get your African Pride at Walgreens right now. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know what y'all think about this style, and I'm gonna see y'all later. Mwah. Peace.